avid runner. I mean, avid. Just finished her 100th marathon in St. George over the weekend. And not only did she finish her 100th marathon, she's also a mom of 7 which are here this morning. Hi, thank you so much for joining us.
You bet. We're happy to be here.
This is so awesome. Kathy, tell us a little bit about how you got into this and now 100 marathons in. How did you first start, though?
After my first son was born, I started running just to lose baby weight, and here we are all this time later.
You kept going. Now, your son over here has there's just this enormous amount of medals. Does that hang in your house?
Yeah, we just have nails around the basement of all the medals.
You want to clank them? Let's hear some noise. Get it going.
I read that your goal is to do a marathon in all 50 states.
Yeah.
How far along are you?
So I've just done 12 states so far.
12 states. But I mean, 100, did you set a goal for this, or how did this all go about? I mean, 100 marathons is a lot.
It's kind of addicting, really, to run them, and it's fun. And once you're in shape for one marathon, it's
you just keep on going.
Easy to keep going, and it's fun.
Any tips for moms out there, especially new moms? I stopped all exercise when I had a baby. How do you kind of make sure that you keep focusing on you and your own health?
It's good to, if you have a partner to get up and go with, and it's good to make that time for yourself. It's so important.
Yeah, and mentally as well as physically.
So good to have that time for yourself and have that time away, and you come back such a better mom for your kids.
That is fantastic. Kathy Gridley, thanks so much for jumping in here this morning.
You bet.
100 marathons, folks. I mean, it's just fantastic, and so thankful to have you guys with us this morning.
You bet. We're happy to be here.
Let's check in with Shara now on that breaking news down at Bridal Veil Falls. I think we have her.
Our fabulous viewers. These are 4 of her 7 children sitting with us this morning.
Jacob, Boss, look at TV.
Who just completed her 100th marathon
Yay!
over the weekend. But where's Kathy?
Where is she?
Where is she?
Where's your mom?
Here she comes, mother of 7, runner of 100 marathons, Kathy Gridley, everybody. Look at that. Here comes Kathy. Man, she is booking it into the studio. This is like Lori at 4:29 every single. Hi, Kathy.
Hi.
Come on in, have a seat. Look at that. That was cool.
It was. And I love that your son is holding all the medals that you have earned from running all of those marathons.
You betcha.
Do you need a break? Are you out of breath at all? I know. That's 26.2 miles. I know running through the newsroom can be tough.
Okay, how do you do it? You've got 7 children. How do you fit all of that in your life?
You know, my husband is totally behind me. He's so supportive. And my kids are great. They're awesome to just let me have my time away.
Who are your sons who are with us today?
This is Jonas, Isaac, Oliver, and Sam.
And they all have the shirts on that say, Go Mom. Kathy Gridley just ran her 100th marathon.
Yeah.
What's been your favorite marathon so far?
Boston was a great marathon. I ran that in 2009. And I love St. George. That's so fun. And Ogden's a great marathon.
And St. George was just your 100th, right?
Yes, and that was just a couple days ago.
Now, do your kids run as well? Are you starting to kind of teach them how to get into that fitness mentality?
A little bit, like maybe 5Ks and
Yeah,
stuff.
no, that's great. You're not ready for the marathon yet, are you guys?
Just those
maybe one day.
measly old 5Ks,
Yeah,
no big
so-
deal. What's your goal? Where do you want to go?
I'd love to do a marathon in all 50 states. It's a little expensive, so maybe down the road sometime, but wow. So, yeah.
What's your next one? What's coming up for you?
I may do Sojo at South Jordan in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks. Now, do you have to prepare after running so many marathons? Is there anything that you do to prepare for them coming up?
Just, you know, I run a few days a week, you know, an hour or anyway, or longer.
Yeah,
and
just depends on your mood, how you feel.
yeah, or just training and
Wow.
yeah.
That's fantastic.
So,
well, good for you.
Unbelievable.
Congratulations.
Kathy, thank you so much for coming in and
So fun.
getting a little workout in here, running into the on set, and bringing your wonderful sons and the
You
medals
bet.
and everything. It's been awesome. 100 marathons from Kathy.
You guys are proud of Mom, right? Say yeah.
Heck yeah, Mom.
All right.
Awesome. 6:21 right now. Coming up, college football this week.